looking viewers, how are you all? Welcome to our channel Smart Collections Plus. In this video, we are excited to showcase a variety of stunning ladies' top ideas from everyday casual to classic office wear. We have got unique design that will suit every occasion and personal style. Discover the latest trends in patterns, colors, and cuts that are perfect for updating your wardrobe. Whether you prefer classic elegance or bold and trendy look, there's something for everyone. Be sure to watch until the end for outfit pairing tips and styling ideas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion inspirations. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Your feedback means a lot to me. So drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in